Hello and welcome back, friends. Today I'll tell you what a CNC machine is and how does it work. So, CNC machines have become backbone of our manufacturing industry as of today. CNC machines are being used to make mobile phones that we use every day, to cars that we drive every day, to rockets that are being fired onto the moon mission, to the Mars mission, and to the weapons that are being used in the wars that we see today. So, CNC machines have become an integral part of manufacturing today. And in this video, I'll tell you what it is and how it works. And do you really need to invest in a CNC machine, or what results and returns it can give you? So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, CNC machines have a very long history. It was in 1960s that the CNC machines came into the picture. Why did they come into picture? Because without CNC machines, getting production was very difficult. The time it took for doing production was very long. The accuracy that we wanted was not possible with manual systems. So in the previous times, there were workers who would have very good skills to be able to produce a part, to machine something, to mill something, and to grind something. So now that led to a lot of issues. So products were not very reliable. If you can recollect, in previous times, cars were not reliable. They would break down often. We would have to get parts replaced now and then. But today, cars have improved by a huge margin. They do not fail down. There's no breakdowns. The maintenance cost has gone very low. And earlier used to have services at very small stages. So 5,000 kilometers you need to service a car. Today 15,000, 20,000 kilometers, if you don't service a car, then also they work very fine. So CNCs have played a very integral role into developing the industry of manufacturing that we have today, and being able to meet the current demand of all the vehicles, of all the mobile phones that we have today. So now coming back to CNC, CNC stands for computer numeric control. So CNC machine is nothing but a simple conventional machine which uses computers to do the work, which earlier relied on highly skilled laborers to do that work. So today, any labor can work on a CNC machine and give the same output of a skilled labor back in 1960s, 1970s. And the best part is, the work is of high accuracy, the work of the output is repeatable, and it can be done at a fraction of cost and at the least amount of time possible. So now you may ask that what do we do with CNC machines? So CNC machines work on wood, work on marbles, they work on metals. It can be precious metals. They work on gold, they work on stainless steel, they work on steel, all types of metals, and also plastics. Now what a CNC machine will do is, first you need to create a 3D or 2D model of the part that you would like to make. Once that 3D 2D model is made, that is converted into a G code M code. Now what this G code M code is, it's a simple language on which CNC machines work. So in computer programming, we've got C++, we've got Java, we've got Node.js, we've got Python. Same way, these CNC machines work on a language which is called G code M code. So once the 2D 3D model is ready, we create a G code M code file of it. Then once the G code M code file is ready, we put that file into the CNC machine, and then we load the model that we would like for the machine to do work on. And then we just press the button. And once we press the button, it will accurately, quickly, and precisely do its work in fraction of seconds. And the piece that you would like to make, let's say we want to make a gear, it will be ready in few minutes or few seconds. If we are looking to make a bearing, it can be done. If we are looking to make a phone, it can be done. So any kind of equipment, from marble to wood to plastic to metal, everything can be done easily. And the best part is, when you want to scaling up is also very easy and very quick. So now coming to types of CNC machines that we have presently. We've got milling machines, in which we do cutting work and drilling work, where the piece is stable in one location, one part, and work is done. It can be finishing the edges of the part, it can be flattening the surface of the part, It can be putting holes on the part using drills. Then we've got lathe CNC machines. Lathe machines rotate the part vertically or horizontally, and then they shape the part. So it can be creating a bore, it can be having a perfect radius, it can be having the perfect diameter, it can be having the perfect shape for something to fit into something, n number of applications. Then we've got the most important critical, these are laser and plasma cutters. So we've got a huge sheet of metal which needs to be cut into different shapes for a box to be made or for some enclosure to be made. So we just create a 2D file of what needs to be cut, and then we put the program in G code M code on the machine, and we place the sheet and hit the button. Within seconds, that whole part can be cut from laser in seconds and be ready. And the best part is it is all accurate, so you can make 1,000, 10,000 new parts and they'll all fit together. Then we have something called as routers. So these routers, they are made to mold a part. Let's say we've got a wooden block and we would like to mold it into a 3D shape. Let's say we want to do some carving work, it can be used for that. It can be used for numerous applications like carving into wood, drilling it to wood, and so on. And then grinding machines. These machines have revolutionized the manufacturing industry, because grinding machines are the main machines which give the perfect finish that is required for engines, for bearings, to have the smoothness so that there is least amount of friction between two components. And these are the ones that have helped us save on costly maintenance and costly breakdowns. So this is on the types of CNC machines. There are a lot more types of machines, than we've got SPM machines, but we'll talk about those in the next video some other day. So now coming to the benefits of CNC machines. So the most important benefit is that we are able to speed things up. With the least amount of resources, we are able to get more output. What used to take 3 hours now just takes 10 minutes. What needed skilled employee, skilled manpower, skilled labor now takes an unskilled employee. In previous times, we faced a lot of problems due to human error. Maybe he was not away, maybe he was not attentive, maybe the operator did not pay proper attention to detail, and then there were quality problems. Now with CNC machines, the quality issues have minimized by 99.98%. So the accuracy has come into play a huge margin. And the most important, if today we were to remove all the CNC machines and replace with the manual machines, we would not be able to cope up with the demand that we have of vehicles, for mobiles, for the rockets that we have. So in all, it has helped us scale operations, it has helped us meet the demand, it has helped us create accurate parts that are required for today's generation. So now you may ask that what is the future of CNC machines, Sagar? So as per my take, CNC machines are yet to become more smart, are yet to become more advanced. With the AI features coming in, we'll be able to directly create different models on the CNC machine itself, and then CNC machines will autonomously work on the pieces, create something, and then give us the output. So CNC machines will be AI powered in future. We'll have a lot more sensors into the CNC machines, a lot more systems like IoT is coming into the place, where we are able to monitor the production, the performance of the machine. We are able to see if the machine is about to break down. So AI is going to change the CNC machines again forever, because in the computer age we got CNC machines, and now in the AI age we'll have even better CNC machines. And to conclude this video, I'll just give you quick pointers. CNC machines came around 1950s to 1960s. They are become the backbone of manufacturing. Cars that we have today have got more than 30,000 unique parts in them, and out of that 40% of the parts are made from CNC, and 99% of parts have got something or the other to do with the CNC machine. So that's what CNC machines are. If you're looking to buy a CNC machine, or if you're looking to optimize your performance of CNC machines, do get back to us. We'll help you decide on what machine you should buy and where you can buy from. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friend, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.